Hi, how would you like to make money with your pictures? Yes, those pictures that you have lying around in your phone or your laptop, your computer, your hard drive. Do you know you can make so much money, thousands of dollars from those pictures? Now, if this is something that you're interested in, then keep watching this video to the end, because at the end I will teach you a platform that will not only pay you for your pictures, but will also pay you as people view your pictures. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. So this is auto.envato.com, okay? One of the platforms where you can sell your pictures. I'm still going to show you guys a lot more. Reach over 2 million customers while doing what you love. Become an Envato author and sell your work to the largest online creative community. So this is the platform. They pay you for your pictures, okay? You can learn more about them here, but so let me show you guys how you can sign up so that we can quickly jump over to the other one. So here is Become Envato Author today. So let's click on Become an Envato Author today. So here you can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Facebook, you can sign up with your Apple ID, or you can just go ahead and do the native sign up and then click I am not a robot and create an account. So for the purpose of this training, so that I don't make the video so long, I'm going to sign up and then come back and show you guys how it looks. So after signing up, you will see this. Let's get started. We are currently open for new authors who specialize in website themes and templates, code script and plugins, stock videos and templates, graphic design assets and templates, 3D models. If you are a stock photography author, please click here to apply for Envato Elements. If you are specialized in music tracks and sound effects. So if you are interested in all these things, you can also continue with this registration. Just click here, but we are here for the photography, the stock photography. So here you click on apply to become an author. So here, which area do you specialize in? Choose one category. You can apply for other categories once you become an author on Envato Element. So here you click on photography and click on continue. How many items do you plan to submit right away? If you have 1 to 500, 500 to 5,000, 5,000 plus. So you click on 1 to 500. I always encourage that people sign up with as many as possible for the first time so that they can see and know that you're serious and then give you the best attention possible. So here you can share links to single or multiple examples. So put link and put your link here and link, and then click agree to the Envato Element author and then click on submit. So here the links you're going to put here will be the link, not your Instagram link. Or put the link to your Google Drive. So put those pictures in Google Drive, the samples you want to show to them. It could be 5, it could be 10. It might not be just your pictures. You can take pictures of landscape, traffic, Lagos lifestyle, Abuja lifestyle. Take pictures, different kind of pictures, depending on the area you want to specialize. You can even become a professional model. Yes, you can even become a professional model and sell your pictures. Those pictures that you see that we use, pictures like this, or even videos like this, are pictures that we buy from all these platforms, and these people get paid for it. So another platform where you can make money with your pictures is depositphotos.com. Let's take a look at it. So here is depositphotos.com. As you can see, royalty-free stock photos, vector images, video and music, 234 million files on Deposit Photos. And then this is their clients. You can see Forbes, you can see Bosch, and all the rest of them. If you scroll down, you can see their plans. So these are their plans. This is how they make money, that they pay you. And this is their review. You can see that 7,000 people have reviewed this platform. So let's just go down here. You can see sell stock photos. You click on sell stock photos, sell files online, contributor program. So this is where you learn all the terms and conditions, everything that you need to know about selling your pictures to them. So after watching this video, when you visit the platform, take your time and read through so that you can understand perfectly and learn the requirements and also everything that you need to know about making money with this platform. So here you click on become a contributor. So this is where you sign up. Your normal sign up, put your phone number, select your country code, select your country code. If you're in Nigeria, US, Canada, just select your country code and okay, put your country and password and then sign up, submit your pictures, and you're good to go. So let me chip this in. Before you submit your pictures, don't just rush and start submitting your pictures. No, make sure you do a research on the best keywords. That's the keywords that people are most likely going to search, so that when they search that particular keyword, your pictures will come out on the first or second pages. Nobody really visits the 10th 20th pages. So you have to find a way to get to the first or second pages if you really want to make a whole lot of money from this platform. So make sure you pay attention to the keywords. Don't go and use your name, Jacinta Obi. Don't go and use your name, Jacinta Obi laughing. Nobody's going to search Jacinta Obi laughing. You can write happy office lady laughing. So anytime somebody searches for office lady laughing or happy lady laughing or lady laughing, they will get to you. Do you understand the idea now? So just build on this, find the best keywords that people are most likely going to search, so that once they search something related to that keyword, you'll be one of the first to show up. Now, the next platform I want to share with you guys is submit.shutterstock.com. Now, a lot of us must have seen Shutterstock on Google when you search for a photo. Now, this is how people submit those pictures that you're seeing there. So those pictures you're seeing there, people will start seeing yours when you submit your own pictures as well. So let me show you guys how you can submit your pictures on Shutterstock. Join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love. Become a contributor, produce high quality images and videos for our customers to download, submit, upload your content with our easy to use platform, and get tips for success. Get paid, make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. Then refer, earn even more by referring new contributors and customers. So you're also going to get paid when you refer other people to join the platform as contributors. Over the last 15 years, we've paid out $1 billion to our worldwide community of contributors. So if you join now, you partake from this $1 billion that I'm hearing. So it's an amazing way for you to make money, and it's a passive income, guys. Once you upload the pictures, that's it. You don't need to do anything. So you just sleep and be receiving money. Please let me chip this in. I'm sorry. If you have gotten any value from this video so far, please like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it. So this is a very cool way for you to create passive income for yourself and start receiving money from the comfort of your home till the end of time, because it doesn't expire. People, as long as people keep downloading your pictures, your videos, your music, anything that you upload, you get paid. So here you click on join now. Once you click on join now, you put your full name, display, email address, password, and you submit your pictures, and then you start getting paid. This is a platform that really gives me joy because you don't get paid by number of downloads. Once somebody checks out your picture, you get paid. How cool is that? Let me show you guys how it works. So here is clickaSnap.com. Okay, clickaSnap.com is that platform that pays you to view pictures. So all these pictures, if I'm to click on them and look at the pictures and take a very good look at the pictures, the creators of these pictures will get paid. And look at the kind of pictures they are uploading so that you can understand and have an idea of the kind of pictures you'll be uploading as well. So you're not restricted to any kind of picture. You can upload different kinds of pictures. Okay, so here you can see share with us, sell with us, buy from us. So click on sell with us, and then it's going to bring you here. Create your personal photography shop. Choose from thousands of photography products to sell online, including canvases, downloadable images, and more. Set your own pricing. At ClickASnap, you have the chance to sell your pictures, your photos online to make money from your craft. We can show you the best price of the products you want to sell, and you choose your own pricing structure. You can even give images away for free as downloads. What happens when you sell your pictures? When someone buys from you, our automated system sends the high resolution photo you uploaded directly to our printers, who are one of the world's top printing companies known as One Vision Imaging. They print your customers' choosing product and ship it to them first class anywhere in the world. All you need to do is cash out your royalties, which can be done as soon as order is confirmed. So here you don't only get paid when people view your pictures, you also get paid when people download the picture. And the most interesting part of it is that they print it for you. So once somebody clicks on it and orders for the picture, they will print it and ship it to the person in hard copy. How cool is that? So you're going to have your pictures in people's houses, people's offices, and all the rest of that. Thank you very much for watching. I recommend that you watch this video here to learn how you can edit pictures professionally, so that when you start your picture selling career, you will sell the best pictures ever and get paid in real time. So see you on the other side.